Hi guys, so it's been a long time, but here is Vivian.
Hi.
And of course you know who I am. So today is just pretty much like, she's gonna show me how to insert lace frontal, or she's gonna pretty much style me. I've never worn one before. So I hope you guys enjoyed this, and we'll catch each other later. Alright?
Oh baby, pour me water, holy water, quench this fire. Pour me water, holy water, quench this fire. Everybody want me, make I know fall in love with you. I don't answer them, I tell them, say no you. Right now you come and then you play me for a fool. Out here wondering, waiting on to. So pour me water, holy water, quench this fire. Yeah. Pour me water, holy water, quench this fire. Even I put a good chip on you. That thing you do me, that do me kung fu. This thing I see, I'm a big deja vu. Deja vu, deja vu. Even I put a good chip on you. This thing you do me, that do me kung fu. This song I sing, I've been happy for you. Yeah. So pour me water, some holy water, quench this fire. Yeah, so pour me water.
I really have to punch my seat.
Guys, I am so excited. Does that look so good? Like wet. Oh my god, Vivian, I love it.
Okay.
Guys, leave comments. Let me know what you think about this hairstyle. I'm loving it. I really am digging the whole lace frontal thing. I'm feeling all pretty. Yes. Yes. Aww. Guys, I am so happy. I love it. I love how the edges are not like so visible. It looks like there's no glue, but literally like it's glued down. I like that. I'm gonna take some selfies. Okay, you're gonna take some.
Okay, now look
Good.
at it.
Yes. I love it.
This girl looks like she's gonna have
I
a
love
wedding.
it.
But trust me, she's going nowhere.
I love it. Like literally, I feel so good. I really feel so good. So let's just say thank you to Vivian. Vivian, you want to say bye to them?
Bye.
So I really appreciate her work. Guys, so I'll be leaving info on how to reach her if you're in the DMV area. Even if you're not in the DMV area and you need a hairstylist for maybe a party or a bridal event or anything like that, I'll leave her information down so you can reach out and, you know, give her a call. She'll definitely come slay you guys out. Trust me, I'm putting a word out for it, okay? Alright? So thank you guys for watching. Watch out for the next video, okay? I'll see you guys. Remember, dream it, speak it, and you have the right to definitely live it. Okay, guys? So I'll see you guys later. Peace out. Bye. I love it.
Really?